In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Calendar in just 5 minutes. This quick guide will help you integrate your favorite productivity tools seamlessly, making task management and scheduling more efficient than ever. So, let's dive straight into it and make your workflow smoother. First, let's head over to the Notion Calendar product page. You can find this easily by entering the URL or conducting a quick search online. This page is your gateway to the integration process, and it's important to start here to ensure you're in the right place. Once you've reached the product page, you'll need to open Notion Calendar and sign in using your Google account. It's crucial to make sure that this is the same account linked to the Google Calendar you want to connect. Doing this ensures that the two services can communicate seamlessly. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But most of us already have a Google account we use regularly, so just sign in with that. Next up, there are some prompts you'll need to follow. These will allow Notion Calendar access to your Google account. Don't worry, this step is both secure and necessary. Simply approve the permissions. This is what lets Notion pull in your calendar data. During this step, you'll also select which specific calendar you want to connect if you have multiple calendars associated with your account. Take a moment to select the one you actively use to sync your events effectively. And just like that, you're almost done. Once you've granted the necessary permissions and made your selections, your Google Calendar events will start to appear within Notion Calendar. This powerful integration means that all the events you have scheduled on Google Calendar are now directly available in your Notion space. Whether it's meetings, reminders, or personal appointments, you'll have easy access within Notion to manage and view your events. This integration is incredibly helpful for maintaining an all-in-one workspace. Now, you can stay organized without having to switch back and forth between applications. You can view your schedule, take notes, and plan tasks all from within Notion. It's a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and keep everything in one place. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to connect Notion to Google Calendar in just a few minutes. With this setup, you'll be able to better manage your time and ensure you're always on top of your commitments. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more time-saving tips and tech tutorials. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.